magic newspaper pot. Check this out. To make a magic pot, take your sheet of newspaper and fold it over lengthways, twice. Now, take your cup and roll it inside the newspaper you folded. Then, fold the end of the newspaper into the cup, like really squish it in there. After that, you take the cup out and use its space to push the bottom of the pot down. Then, all you need to do is put a peg on to hold it in place. Ta-da! Perfect magic newspaper pot.
We're going to get our magic pots and we're going to fill them with soil. Once your pot's pretty much full, it's a good idea to gently pat it down so it's all tucked in. Next, it's time for us to plant some seeds.